Hello students, how are you? Myself Priyanka. I think all of you are fine. So, in this video, you will learn how to store data in a program and how to display it. So, I will take an example. Okay, before taking an example, I will talk about the variable. Okay, in Java program, if you want to take a variable by data, you have to make the data type. First you have to make the data type, then you can take or you can make a variable according to this data. So a question is arrived that what is data type. The question is, what is data type? Okay, so this is our question, what is data type. Okay, so think about one question. If I ask you what is your name, suppose you answer me, my name is Shunil Kumar. Okay, so Shunil Kumar is our data. This is our data of my question, and the data type is string. The data type is string. Okay, if I ask you what is your age, you tell me your age is suppose 35. So 35 is data and the data type is integer. If I ask you what is your pocket money, you tell me suppose 550 paise. 550 paise. So this is your data and the data type is float. So there are so different types of data type like string, int, float. This is our data type. And Sunil Kumar 35, 500.50, this is our data. So then this data and data type is our integer. Okay, so before make variable we have to make our data type. Then now we go for our example through coding. Okay, okay, this is our Java programming coding format. You already know this. So we start our coding. Okay, so first I take our integer int a equal to suppose not x, I take x. Okay, so 15 int x. Okay, then we take another integer y equal to 10. Okay, so what is our program or operation? First we add this to variable. Okay, x plus y equal to, then sorry, then we not write x plus y, this is integer, we take sum or add, then the output will be x plus y. Okay, so if I see well, we see well that int x equal to 15, int y equal to 10, and int sum is x plus y. Then go for again in the board. Okay, so this is our, okay, x equal to our integer is 15, y equal to our integer is 10. So x plus y equal to 15 plus 10, the value is 25. So if I discuss about this code, so if you write in the computer mapping or RAM, so first integer is x and the value of x is 15. Our second integer is y and the value of y is 10. Then our second what? Second integer is actually sum, right? Sum equal to. So here we write sum equal to. Okay, when the computer do the sum, then first follow this x plus y. Then the computer find the value of the x and find the value of the x is 15. Then find the value of y and find the value of y is 10. Then he find computer find the operation x plus y. So x plus y means 10 plus 15 equal to 25. Direct answer it show that 25. So again I write. Okay, then I write. Okay, now print this line. System dot out. We already know this how to print any output in Java. Second bracket sum. Sum. Okay. Now run. Let's see what is our output. Okay. Sum. Okay, we already know this process. Whatever we write within double inverted comma, the Java programmer or computer print the as it is same. We write sum within in double inverted comma. That's why the computer program print just sum. So, but we need to our answer will be 25. So I remove the double inverted comma and then run. Okay. Now our question is 25. Okay. So this is very easy. If we write any number or any word within double inverted comma, then the computer program will show us the word within the double inverted comma. But if we need to the answer as output, then we have to write or without the double inverted comma, or we can write. If I write line, print line, then see what is our output. Here also output is 25. Then I want to write something else. Just see what I write. Sum of sum of x plus and plus y plus is plus sum. Okay, I just write the sum of in English, then x, the value of x and the value of y is the sum of, then check the answer. The sum of 15 and 10 is 25. I got the answer as it is. Okay, this is done our plus, means addition already done. Now I want to do multiplication product. If we want to make product of this x and y, then what to do? We make x product. Okay, we write in mathematics for product xy, but in the computer program we have to write x multiply and y, right? Then int, okay, y, okay, I write int sum for addition, that's why I have to write int product x y, okay. Then this line, copy this line, here I paste, okay, just product of and here ERP. Okay. So let's check what is our uh, output. Okay, sum of 15 and 10 is 25. Again show, and the product of 15 and 10 is 150. This is very interesting. Okay, then again do it division. Okay, again do the division. Okay, enter x divide y. This we can do. Or we can do y divide x, or we can do x modulus y. Okay, let's check. So first we write int v1. I take this variable x by y. Then I take int v2 for y by x. Then I take int v3 for x modulus y. Okay, for this we have to write system dot out dot print line v1. Then we have to write v2 and v3 also. Okay, copy, paste, again paste. Okay, now I change, this is v2 and this is v3. Okay, now run our program and see what is our. Okay, product of 15 and 10 already show this, and also show the sum of this. And okay, for first one v1 x by y, the output is 1. The v2 y by x is 0, and v3 x modulus y is 5. But why? Our x is 15 by y is 10, so y it is 1. Okay, now again go for board. Okay, so our x by y equal to 15 by 10. Then 1 point something, right? So computer print only the quotient for y by x equal to 10 by 15. The output is 0 point something. Only computer print the quotient for x modulus y equal to 15 modulus 10. Okay. For this modulus means only computer print remainder. 5 is the remainder. When we divide 15 by 10, then the remainder is 5. Only remainder. For number 1 this, and number 2 this. For 1 and 2, computer only print the quotient, and for number 3, computer only print the remainder. That's why our output is 1, 0 and 5. So this is very easy. So I want to recap for this video. Okay, so first, number 1, to declare a variable you need to know its data type as well, right? You need to know first data type, then you can make its variable. Number 2, when you declare a variable, say int x equal to 10, and a location computer's RAM is named x and 10 is stored in it. I already tell you, in computer RAM means computer mapping. Number 3, divide gives quotient and modulus gives remainder. This is very important to remember. Number 4, there is no BODMAS. Okay, we have to do the plus minus, means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division individually. Okay, so equal priority have higher than plus and minus, which are equal to each other, and among operators with equal priority, generally the one on the left is executed first. Okay, like BODMAS, first division, then multiplication, then addition, then subtraction, and use parenthesis to override order to execution of operators. Okay, so this is an important video for you. Okay, students, uh, so see you again in the next class. Have a good day. Thank you. Bye bye.